Hello again, everyone. Another wonderful day today. Welcome back to RSL Travel, Leisure, and Food Vlogs. Today it's our day off, and we decided to cook something special for lunch. So we have here some spaghetti, we have some crispy fried chicken, and as you have seen earlier, I was done cooking and we're about to enjoy our lunch together with the family. So we're trying to assess the taste of the food that we cooked earlier, and I'd like to apologize for the noise that we were hearing a while ago. So I had to erase the entire background because it's too noisy. So join us. Enjoy our lunch today. So the spaghetti that I cooked earlier is the ordinary type, because as you can see, not many ingredients were added because, as I told you earlier, I only cook what's available in the kitchen. So if some of the ingredients that I'm looking for is not around, so I'll just continue to cook anyway. So that's the beauty in cooking. You can just choose any ingredient available, not necessarily the complete set of ingredients. Unless, of course, it's a very special occasion, because you really need to prepare the ingredients at least few days earlier to make sure that all the required ingredients are complete. But in this particular case, it's just an ordinary meal and an ordinary day as well. So I just cooked what's available at the kitchen. So I hope you join us and enjoy having our lunch today. Thank you so much for watching, guys.